Sovereign citizens, the ethical limits of commercial remedy and the law of equilibrium. One. Power without balance breeds corruption. Every legal process, no matter how potent, has a moral ceiling. The commercial remedy system was never designed for exploitation, it was meant for restoration. When a claimant learns to move credit, offset debt, and discharge obligations, the temptation is to see the pen as a weapon. But power without purpose always collapses on itself. So what does that actually mean? It means you can win the paperwork war and still lose your soul. Footnote. True remedy restores equity without predation, misuse of process leads to self-disqualification and loss of standing. 2. The principle of equilibrium. Commerce, like physics, obeys balance. Every credit demands a debit. Every claim invites an equal responsibility. Those who file without comprehension create imbalance, and imbalance always invites correction, sometimes in ways more dramatic than expected. So what does that actually mean? It means if you try to tip the scales too far, the scales will tip you back. Footnote. Equilibrium sustains legitimacy in commerce by requiring equal accountability between debtor and creditor. 3. Truth as currency. In the world of legal remedy, truth spends better than money. Documents grounded in honesty hold weight, false affidavits evaporate under scrutiny. The difference between authority and audacity is evidence. When you speak truth on paper, the system listens, not because it likes you, but because it must. So what does that actually mean? It means the most valuable stamp on any page is your integrity. Footnote. Lawful credit derives its force from verified truth, not procedural mimicry or rhetorical flourish. 4. The boundary of consent. Every claim, lien, or notice exists within consent, either granted or presumed. When one party abuses consent, the other reclaims jurisdiction. The line between remedy and coercion is razor thin. The wise creditor knows when to assert and when to stand down. So what does that actually mean? It means don't swing at every pitch. Some silence is golden because it preserves your position. Footnote. Proper exercise of commercial remedy honors mutual consent and refrains from coercive overreach. 5. Restoring the human element. Behind every signature lies a human being. Law, at its finest, is not a system of punishment or privilege, it is a balancing act between reason and compassion. The commercial world runs on ledgers, but civilization runs on empathy. The real victory is not in collecting claims, but in reclaiming conscience. So what does that actually mean? It means paperwork can settle accounts, but only kindness can settle history. Footnote. Ethical equilibrium merges lawful process with moral conscience, completing the cycle of true justice.